Nika just got back from vacation. Set up an air horn. Should be fun.
What? Whoop! Who did this? Who did this? Who did this? Freaking idiot! Do what? Put this thing right here.
Welcome back. What? Do
Put
what?
this stupid thing right there.
Got him.